Hey guys, and welcome back to another plus size clothing haul. I have just discovered that Cotton On have come out with a plus size range, so of course I jumped right on that. This wasn't my next order. I ordered this recently and it came really quickly. I think I ordered it like 3 or 4 business days ago and it's already here. I am really excited about this. For those of you who don't know, Cotton On is an Australian brand. I think it's been in Australia for a really long time. I used to buy from there when I was younger. It is geared to more of a younger demographic than me, so I did have a bit of trouble buying tops. They were a lot of cropped tops, but if crop tops are your thing, then that is the place to go because the price is pretty good. I am mostly excited about pajamas. I remember always loving their pajamas back in the day when they used to fit in a smaller size. So let's have a look at what I got. First thing I got, I am super excited about. It is this really cute t-shirt. Look at that. And this one is not cropped. Hopefully it's not too short. It has shorter sleeves. And I just love this print. It's just so fun. I really hope this one fits. So let's take a look. Okay, first up we have the t-shirt. I absolutely love the print. I love the material. It's like just a really nice t-shirt. The thing I don't like about it is how it's just that little bit too baggy down the bottom here. The sleeves are really nice. I feel like this might actually be a keeper. It is a little bit longer in the back, which is nice. It's just that tiny bit too short for me at the front. Oh, actually, it might be okay, but it's just that little bit baggy at the bottom that makes it look like it's been through the wash a few times, which could be the look you're going through. I've paired it with the jeans. I might keep it, but I'm not sure. I'm torn. Tell me what you think in the comments. How cute is the print? And I'll just come a bit closer so you can see it's sort of got this sort of marbled, sort of denim-y look. But let me know what you think. I like it. I really like it. Next, I got this pair of jeans. Let's see what they look like. Okay, these actually look pretty good. They look pretty stretchy. I am liking the way the bum looks. We'll see how that looks on. And these don't actually look too long, which is always my problem as a short 5'2" person. I got these ones in a size 18 because with some of the other clothing hauls, I seem to be running a bit smaller sometimes in the jeans. So we'll see how that goes. So now I have on the jeans. I am absolutely loving them. They are a really great fit. I think the size 18 is the perfect size for me. They're a tiny bit snug, but they will stretch a little bit. And I'm also on the keto diet, so you know, we'll probably lose a bit of weight in a couple of weeks. The other thing I like about them is sometimes when you have a bigger plus size pair of jeans, sometimes there's a lot of extra material here in the front at the top of the legs, but I'm not finding that here. I'm also not finding a bunch of extra material in the back. These are just a really good fit. Yeah, I highly recommend. These are really nice jeans and I think I'm gonna keep them. Next, I think it's dress. Let's have a look. I actually can't remember what I ordered now. Yes, it's a dress. What is going on here? Oh, okay, I see. Right, okay, I've got this dress. There's something funky going on in the front. Hang on. Okay, I got this dress. So it is another sort of short balloon sleeved peasant style dress, but it's really hard to see. It's got this really cute sort of tie knot detailing. It's got a lot of stretch around sort of the back middle, so it should fit and it should be just above the knees in length. So I think that one's a bit hard to see until we try it on, so let's have a look. I'm sorry I have the wrong bra on for this, but I'm not gonna change it. I like this dress. but it's a bit big here in the bust, which is crazy because, you know, I'm a G, but like, look, I've got all this extra room, and I'm not really a fan of that. However, I don't know, it is a very nice dress. It's comfortable. I like the style. It just hits sort of mid-knee, if you can see. Sorry, it does need an iron. It did just arrive. I like it, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. Maybe leave me a comment and let me know. Does it look fantastic? I don't know, there's a lot of material here. I'm not sure if I have a bra that would allow me to wear this. I mean, obviously this is the wrong bra. I'd never wear this bra with a dress like this. But, you know, there's just so much material here, and I don't know if it's, I don't know, but I do like the little tie, and I do love the sleeves. So difficult. I think it's going back, guys. It's not, I don't think it's right. I think it could be better. It's nice though. The material is lovely. I definitely would recommend trying this. I don't think I reckon I could size down almost everywhere. The problem is if I size down, the lining for the bottom of the bust would be cutting me more, but I think everywhere else it's a little big, so you could probably size down depending on, if you have a smaller bust I would definitely size down, because there is a lot of stretch in it and there's a bit of extra fabric, especially like on the sides here. Like that could definitely be tighter, you know, like here if I'm pulling, you know, that could be tighter. So I think I would recommend sizing down on this one. This was a 20, I believe. Okay, next on to pajamas. So the pajamas confused me a bit because they had a lot of things that looked like they should have been part of a set, but there was no like other half to the set. But then I did manage to get two that kind of looked like they could go well together. So I got this t-shirt in this sort of charcoaly inky color, I guess. Inky, yeah. I really like this color. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Okay, well, I mean, I don't even care. I'm keeping these. I don't even care what they look like. They have a really cute, like, rolled look sleeve. Man, they are soft. And then the bottoms to go with them are these cute little flower shorts. Do they have pockets? Oh, they have pockets! I love pajamas with pockets because I like to walk around with my phone. Who doesn't? I like these. The material's really nice. These are a bit thicker and sturdier, which is good, especially, you know, Christmas coming up. You're staying around family's place. You maybe don't want to have your see-through pajama pants on. And they look really comfortable. Let's have a look. Okay, now we're on to pajamas, and I am telling you right now, I'm keeping these purely based on how soft this top is. I love it. Yet again, I might have even been able to size down. There is quite a lot of extra fabric. However, I don't know about you, but I quite like baggier pajamas. The shorts are really comfortable as well. They're a thicker material, but they still feel really light and flowy. Could have maybe sized down, but because they are a bit baggy, they do have the pockets, which I love. I mean, they're keepers. Go buy some. I love them. And last, swimmers. They had some really cute swimmers. You know, go have a look. It depends what your body type is like. You know, us plus size women, we all have different shapes, all have different things we want to hide, and they had some really great ones. Oh my god, these are the softest swimmers I have ever felt. They feel like silk. What the actual F. Okay, so I got this really cute one piece. It is sort of a white and green zebra print, I guess you would call that, animal print of some kind. It actually has cups oh, hang on, can I show you? Cups built into it. So that will be interesting. Maybe that'll give a bit of support. Even though these are the softest things, I have noticed, and I don't know if it's gonna show up, there's some fraying right there where the cups have been sewn in. And then I also noticed, where was it? Just the tiniest bit, you probably won't be able to see along here, just the tiniest bit of fuzz from the stitching. But apart from that, like, these are super soft. Like, oh, and they have a clasp in the back here to make them a bit easier to put on, which is nice. I'm excited to see what these look like. They do look like they're another high-waisted one, which probably won't suit me and my mum pouch, but we can give it a go. They're soft. I hope they fit. Alright, we're on to swimwear. Now, these are the softest swimmers I have ever worn. It is like wearing silk. I will say the built-in bra is quite nice. It is a little bit small in the bust, but I don't think I could size up because it would be too big everywhere else. It is already a little saggy in the bum. The straps are adjustable. I didn't adjust them because I didn't think of it. It's not as high-waisted as I would have thought. I actually quite like this cut. It is more flattering if you have the mum tum, because, you know, high-waisted doesn't look good for that. However, it is a little saggy in the back, which is a little bit of a shame. But really, for the price, these are fantastic. Like, I think I'm gonna have to keep them. And that's what the back looks like. Like, I'm never gonna be a swimsuit model. I'm never gonna look good in swimmers, but I live in Australia. Swimming is like mandatory. And I would feel okay going to the beach in these. Let me know what you think in the comments, but really, I highly recommend these. Go get some. They had a lot of like crop top and like bottoms ones if you're a bit smaller and don't mind having some of your tummy on show. I have way too many stretch marks for that. But I really like this. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I am pleasantly surprised. I had very low hopes for Cotton On Plus Size, Cotton On Curve, whatever it's called. I even sent my husband a text just before I started filming saying that I'm going to start filming this video so that I can get on and return everything, because I thought everything would go back. But seriously, I think the only thing I'm going to send back is the black dress. I love everything else. The material is really nice. The price was really good. I think the whole lot of this only cost me, including shipping, like maybe $130 something, which really isn't that bad. But I'll put all the prices below as normal, and size conversions. The sizing was really generous. I've heard a lot of people say in my comments that I should be sizing up. However, that is an Australian size 20, and as you could see, I could have easily sized down in some of that stuff and been okay, and I did size down in the jeans. So I think one of the things I'm trying to illustrate by picking a size 20 more often than not in these videos is that there is such a discrepancy in size, and considering definitely after coronavirus and everything, everyone is buying so much more online now. Welcome to the modern world. Everything is online. You can't go into shops as often to buy clothes, and so many plus size brands are only online. So come on world, get it together, figure out what these sizes are, make them somewhat consistent. If I went shopping down to my local mall and went into the shops and got, you know, 10 size 20 outfits, maybe 2 of them I would have to size up or down. Like in this one you saw there was like 1 or 2, like a couple of things that I think there was only one thing I could have sized differently, but you know, usually a size 20 is pretty bang on. Like in this haul, a size 20 was pretty bang on. But what I'm finding in some of the other shops is a size 20 isn't a size 20, or there is no consistent size 20. So that's concerning, and even when you follow the size guide, it's not always correct. Often people are telling me to size up quite a few sizes, and I end up buying lesser sizes and it actually fits quite well. So it is really hard out there to find the right size clothes. And then you have to pay for shipping to be returned, so it's not ideal. But anyway, you've seen here some things that need to be sized up or down. Depends what your body shape is like, but I highly recommend Cotton On Curve. They really surprised me. Anyway, I'll see you next week, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handles. I will put them in the description below. See ya.